GoPro Hero 8. Watch this before you buy. Got that coming up next. Last night on Rotor Talk Live, Marcus Crawford and I discussed GoPro's announcement of the GoPro Hero 8. Marcus shared from experience on the GoPro Hero 7, and we took a look at the GoPro Hero 8, its features and benefits, compared it to the 7, and made some recommendations. So without any further ado, let's play that clip in its entirety. The next thing I want to talk about here before we get to the Osmo, and I do want to talk a little bit about that, is GoPro announced its Hero 8, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. This is the article on Drone DJ. On the left is the GoPro Hero 8. On the right is the GoPro Max 360. You know, some of the things on what I heard about this here. Yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to roll a little bit of this clip here. Why not? Cut it down a little bit here.
They get some great shots that we people in the real world never get.
Oh, I know. I mean, look at some of these things, okay? On the side of that helicopter and
now, I mean, it's cool. It's undeniably cool.
Oh, absolutely. You know, on the side of the car.
Yeah. This guy's phenomenal, man. This one, that guy with the jetpack.
Oh, the jetpack, yeah. Okay. I just wanted to give everybody a flavor for that. You know, one of the things that they did talk about, and I think they did say that there is no, now if you take a look here on the actual case itself, okay, what they are saying this time around, you're not going to need a cage like you have around on the Osmo Action or like on the GoPro Hero 7. But yeah. And one of the other things that I did hear was that it runs hot, and it runs very hot from what they were saying. Marcus, what are some of your thoughts about from what you
heard? I'm a GoPro fan, and this Hero 7 made me a GoPro fan. You know, I never, in the past, I always just bought some of the cheap Chinese knockoff action cameras because they were pretty good, right? But then this guy came out with the stabilization, the smooth stabilization that, wow, was just phenomenal and worked really good. Made me a fan. But looking at the 8, I just don't see that it brings that much to the table that's going to make me want to buy that over this one that I already have. Now, some of those attachments are interesting. For me, in particular, the mic especially, I'm always interested in getting some good audio, windproof audio. So if that, they call it the vlogging package or vlogging case or something like that, if that works, boy, that'd be great. The issue is that doesn't come out until December. So they're doing just kind of like what DJI does.
Yeah.
And I think it's a problem. I mean, I think that'll probably keep a lot of people from buying it until they see those accessories and see how they work. Now, when those accessories come out and somebody does a review and says, boy, that microphone is phenomenal, it's windproof or something, hey, I potentially could be interested and pull the trigger. But until then, I'll be honest with you, I'm not that excited about it.
Well, you know, one of the other things that I heard as well is, you know, somebody said it was a review who had it. He dropped it from 3 feet. Now, you expect on an action cam that it's going to be, you know, have some durability to it. Said that the entire back of the glass cracked. It had to be replaced as far as that was concerned. And Marcus, you bring up a good point. With the accessories not being available, and also too, they're starting out, the MSRP on this is $400. Okay, now even with tariffs, okay, the DJI Osmo Action, you can get it for $340. Question of the day: will you be purchasing a GoPro Hero 8? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do talk about technology and have daily updates regarding the technology industry. Also, check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day for technology.